Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, an EC consultant for EC&M. That's not the right cover for this outdoor wet location. That's a plastic cover for inside dry location. So this enclosure does not comply with 314.15. And then over here, that is liquid-tight, flexible, non-metallic conduit on the ground in an area where people can step on it and ride over it with a bicycle. I would say that is definitely in harm's way and a violation of 356.12. Number one, liquid tight, flexible, non-metallic conduit cannot be installed in areas where it's subject to physical damage. I would say securing it to the ground is definitely one of those areas. Not the best choice of wiring methods for this sign wiring.